Namaste student, myself JV Ranchika Kushar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Fundamental of Biotechnology. Today's session is Measurement and Kinetics of Microbial Growth. So what is a growth curve of microbial growth? Growth defined is Growth is defined as increase in all cellular constituent or increase in mass of a single cell. If a single bacterium has been inoculated into a flask of fresh liquid medium and incubated, the bacteria will pass through the four phases, that is lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and then decline phase. It increases with the time, the growth is also increases. So first one is lag phase. In lag phase is the period in which no growth or multiplication occur. It represents as a time when the inoculum are adapting themselves to certain growth condition like temperature, pH, oxygen, media, etc. In the environment, this phase is long if the culture is old, damaged, or grow in any other medium condition. So second one is log or exponential phase. This is the only phase in which microbial population is growing at a maximum rate. And in batch culture, due to the addition of media, only one time the microorganism will have to pass through all the four phases, whereas in continuous culture, due to continuous addition of media and inoculum, the microorganism will never come in a stationary and decline phase. So in this continuous culture increases with the increase of growth. In this lag phase is continuously increasing. Then the third phase is stationary phase. In this phase, microbial population should be constant, just equal to the log phase. It is due to the lack of food or lacking of essential nutrient or accumulation of toxic product. Then fourth phase is decline phase. In this phase, microbial cell begin to die or decrease, just half of the lag phase. In this, the microbial cells die at a faster speed than the new cells form. In this, death phase is due to the following reason, like depletion of essential nutrients, and then accumulation of antibiotics, and then autolysis. Autolysis में क्या होता है कि one microorganism kill another microorganism. So now what is the calculation of the growth of microbial rate? So in this group, calculation of growth rate was first done by Jacques and Monod. So give the name of Monod equation, in which the mathematical model used for the growth of microorganism. In this, mu is equal to mu max into S upon K plus S. In this, mu is equal to specific growth rate of microorganism, and mu max is maximum specific rate of microorganism. And then S is equal to substrate concentration, then Ks is constant. And this equation is first used by environmental engineer for the development and protection of the growth rate. So first, hope you will like this video, and this video is generated by JVW Digital version 2.0, and if you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section.